Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI video creation. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Today we know about Wondershare Virbo. With this tool, you can generate amazing AI videos like this. We are going to see how you can generate an amazing AI character with the AI avatar speaking your content. Let me show you how. First, just click the link below this video. Then download the software by clicking here. Once it is downloaded, open it. Then it will start installing. Once it is installed, click Start Now. Now here you will find different avatars in different cultures and styles like traditional, formal, and many more. As you can see, the avatars here have a plain white background. And if you want your avatar to have a different background, you can go here and find a few more avatars with a nice background. So choose the one you like. Then select the aspect ratio you want. I will go with portrait, and once you reach this page, you can start editing the video. Now if you don't want to have subtitles in your video, just click on Default Subtitle, then click here, and it will be removed. Then here, you can either upload your content as a text or an audio file. I am going to write for content to generate audio. Click here. To write content, click Apply, and it's done. Now if you play the video, we are going to see how you can generate an amazing AI character that can speak any text you provide. You can see that it looks so realistic.
Creatofly, we are creative design agency that combines super creativity superior technology to deliver excellent digital solutions.
Like a real person is talking. Amazing, right? Now if you like this video, you can export it and then download it by clicking here. Not only this, you can also generate more videos in regional languages like Hindi, Spanish, French, German, and so on. That's it for today's tutorial on Wondershare Virbo. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.